You don't?
Makeup.
Okay, this is a song all about, obviously, when you split up from a girl, as just about every song in the world ever is, apart from Rocket Man. This is called Makeup in My Car.
Gay bar? That's not about that.
Well, it is in a way.
Is it?
Yeah. He's made the choice.
If you should be lonely, darling, you could still own me. I would let you into my room just to stop me fucking missing you. Could never explain in every way. I don't always know what you're thinking. And how would it work if you run away? I know that I can't stop you leaving. And now you're gone. I miss your smell. I miss your makeup in my car. I promise I'll write. Is that what you said? I promise to send you a picture instead. If you should be lonely, darling, you could still own me. I would let you into my room just to stop me fucking missing you. I am missing you. What would it cost to tell you I'm wrong? I am so tired of complaining. And what have you lost? It's such a sad day. I see through the window it's raining. Been here before, but never this strong. It feels like a chip on my shoulder. If it's okay with you, I'll leave you this song. You know that we're both getting older. If you should be lonely, darling, you could still own me. I would let you into my room just to stop me fucking missing you. 'Cause I'm missing you. If you should be lonely, darling, you could still own me. I would let you into my room just to stop me fucking missing you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.